Hey guys, and welcome back. So, what sets Augie AI apart from other video editing tools? Let's take a look first. Augie AI is designed with simplicity in mind. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for both beginners and experienced creators to navigate and use effectively. To get started, visit the Augie AI website and sign up for an account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button to start creating your AI video. You can choose to start from scratch or use existing audio, video, or a script. After generating a script, you can edit it as needed. If you're not satisfied with the generated script, you can generate a new one until you find the perfect fit. Then select an AI voice actor from the available options and preview the AI voiceover. Second, Augie AI offers a unique text-to-video feature that allows you to convert your written content into engaging video content. Simply input your text, and Augie AI will generate a video based on your script, complete with visuals and animations. Don't forget the third one.
Hi, I'm Aaron, and I'll be the voice.
Hi, I'm Adam, and I'll be the voice of your Augie today.
With Augie AI, you can add professional quality voiceovers to your videos. Choose from a variety of AI-generated voices to give your videos a polished and professional touch. Then the fourth, Augie AI provides a wide range of editing tools.
Once upon a time, an idea ignited in the minds of a group of passionate entrepreneurs. They dreamed of creating something extraordinary, something that would empower businesses to send visuals to life.
To enhance your videos. From trimming and cropping to adding transitions and effects, you have full control over the editing process. Don't forget to take a moment to review your video script orientation and appearance. If everything looks good, click the check button and then Create to render your AI video. So once the rendering process is complete, you can further customize your video using Augie AI's built-in video editor. Change video parts, add media from various sources, edit the transcript, and add closed captions.
Once upon a time.
And Augie AI offers a vast media library with a wide selection of images, videos, and audio clips.
An idea ignited in the minds of a group of passionate entrepreneurs. They dreamed of creating something extraordinary, something that would empower businesses to soar to new heights. And so
you can easily search and add these assets to your videos, saving you time and effort in sourcing content. And to make your video more engaging, you can add music, apply filters, and adjust video transitions and size using Augie AI's editing tools. So Augie AI allows for seamless collaboration with team members or clients.
Once upon a time, an idea ignited in the minds of a group of passionate that captivate, inspire, symphony of words and visuals be heard.
You can easily share your projects, gather feedback, and work together to create stunning videos. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more creative AI tutorial content.